Welcome back, guys. We are bringing you stop number 2 on Division 1 of the Bassmaster Opens at Tombigbee Waterway in Columbus, Mississippi. So you're going to see day 2 here. So I kind of screwed up day 1. So I had my GoPro. I decided we're going to put it on the chest. Been having trouble with it on the dash. Put it on my chest, and unfortunately, after about 45 minutes, my chesty went dead. I didn't have an external battery, so thought it would last longer than that, and it did not. The reason I decided to wear it on the chest is because I was throwing a frog in a swim jig a lot, and I wanted you guys to be able to see the blow-ups a little bit better than what it was on my dash. So you won't get to see day 1. Weighed in 11 pounds, 15 ounces. Decent day, not great, not bad. Put us in contention and had a solid day. Did jump off a 4-pounder that I ended up moving my camera to my dash and putting my external battery later in the day, and I did get the lost 4-pounder in a couple of catches, but for the most part, day 1 was kind of a wash. So now day 2, I decided we're going to use our battery this time, our external battery. You're going to miss the first 2 14 inchers. I caught like a 15 or 14 before going in the lock. It's very similar to what happened on championship day, where I caught 4 before going through the lock. I was waiting on a couple of boats, same bank, same area, same everything, same bait. And so you're going to see on day 2 here, we go through the lock. We've got 2 for, I don't know, 3.5 or 4 pounds, and got stuck. We're waiting on the lock. The lock at Amory, we're going up 2 locks now, 2. Not 1 like we went down the day before. We knew those fish were not going to be there, water falling out, so we knew we were going to have fish multiple pools throughout the tournament, and went in opposite directions. We're going up to Amory, and got told by the lockmaster that we would not be able to get through until about 9 o'clock. And so we made the most of it. Caught a small keeper and the 3.5 that you'll see coming up. There's some communication with other anglers waiting on lock. One's up there fishing, not waiting on the lock. And get through to Amory, have a blow up, catch a decent one, come back to 10 or 11 pounds. And then you'll see the 2 big ones at the end. So we did fight the GoPro a little bit. You did get to see the real good fish catches. And then ultimately the championship day footage where we caught 11 and some change. You can see it on YouTube on the Bassmaster YouTube page. So finished 6th, great finish, great points. Going into another event I look forward to at Chesapeake Bay, and then one that ultimately I've got something to prove at St. Lawrence. I've not caught them great there. Not caught them great in smallmouth situations, so I've got to go and prove myself on that one, which we won't have those till the end of July. But we're going to bring to you a little bit of the footage. I did add some of the weigh-in. Hank does a great job on stage. Wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of how the weigh-in line works and everything, and all of that. So that is the update from the tournament. That is a recap. I hope you enjoy the footage. Stay tuned for more coming up. I ain't gonna make the team. What's the first horn for? Got one yet? I jumped one off. I'm not sure what it was. Michael said he had one line burner as well. I don't know. He's not going up. I asked him, what'd you catch your spot on? What'd you catch your spot on? That's what I'm throwing now. That's what mine jumped off on. What color are they eating? That's what I figured. I'm throwing this black one. They ate it on the other side, but I can't really get them to eat it on this side. You waiting to go through too? No? Okay. I caught 2 before I got in the lock earlier. Like down there, I haven't caught any here. Yeah, 15 to 14. I mean, but they look like they don't weigh nothing.
Yeah.
What about you? You caught anything up here yet?
I got one, but if I catch another one, I won't weigh him in. He's that close.
Yeah, that's what I got. That's what I caught down there was the same thing. Like, I got to really force him to go. I just had one knock the shit out of a chatterbait right there. Stay down. It's a good one. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, that's a good one. Come here. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Bruh. Biggin. Biggin. 3 pound plus. Gotta be 3. Oh, dude, this fish 3.5 pounds. Let's go. Needed that one. Let's go. God dang it. Big one. Big one. Stay on there, baby. Big one. Big one. Come on. Stay on there. Stay on there. She's got it choked. Get up in here. That might be a check here, boy. That might be a cut. That might be the cut. Come on, baby. You're definitely bigger than the other one. Yes, sir. That's a good one right there, y'all. Well, 3 or not, that's a good one. I needed that one. In a bad way. Oh, I needed that one so bad. Yes, sir. 3 pounder. 3 pounder, 3 pounder. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Let's go. Biggin. That's a giant. That is a freaking giant. Oh my God, stay on. No, 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 no. Stay down. Stay down, baby. Oh, let's go. No, 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 no. Boom! Let's go. Let's freaking go. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna go. I got a call. This one.
All the way to 20th place. 2-day total of 2011. That's gonna be okay.
I got you, man.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh my God.
Hey, man, we'll see where you're at. Hey, come on up. Louisville. You had 8-11 yesterday, coming back at 5 more today. A good day for you. 13 minutes, 6 down, and up to 19th place.
What did you have yesterday?
12.
So, getting all the way to 19th, clear 2 pounds in the hour.
My three biggest fish in there were accidents.
Even your 2-day total. Thank you, James. Dumps you to 59th right now. See you in Maryland. Matt Adams, come on up. 11:15, day number 1, Guntersville, Alabama Pro. 5 more to add to it today. 12.3 would put him inside the top 10, looking for 12.3. He's got it, 16 pounds and 9 ounces, all the way to 3rd place for Matt Adams. He had 5 top 5s, or top 10s last year on the Open, so this is no stranger to him to be inside the top 10. And he finds himself right now in 3rd place with 28.8 for his 2 days of fishing. Let's hear it for him. Nice job.
You do big for tournament, or just per day? Or
Per day, out of per tournament.
Per tournament, okay.
Hand that bag off and we'll chat for a second.
Thanks, sir.
I think that is, I'm trying to count that. I think that's the 5th or 6th bag over 16 pounds today. So it seems like you guys have figured it out a little bit.
I wouldn't say I figured anything out, to be honest with you. The lock, I tried, yesterday I ran down, water fell out, was able to manage a decent bag on this fishery. Today I was going up 2. And we were delayed until like 9 o'clock.
Okay.
I caught a 3.5 pound spot on a square bill, waiting to lock.
That's living, right?
Well, I guess. Come back, and I had a decent bag, I don't know, 10, 11 pounds, pull in a creek, past one of the other anglers that had just coming out, and I caught a 3 and a 5 going in at the end of the day.
So you're totally confused is what I hear.
Oh, 100%.
So we don't know what we're going to get to see tomorrow.
You're going to get to see some blow-ups, hopefully, but we'll see.
That sounds awesome. Nice job again. We'll see where he ends up. Right now he's in 3rd.